Okay, hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to take a look at the first sneaker of Kawhi Leonard in the New Balance. The New Balance Omnis or OMN1s. I believe it's Omnis. That's what they call. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Okay, if you look at the box, it's a pretty standard New Balance box with the New Balance logo at the top. On the side, there's a New Balance there. The other side of the box, there is the product code. There's their basketball for men's size and medium. I'm not that familiar with New Balance performance sneaker, so I'm not going to tell you guys what the meaning of medium is in the box. And at the bottom of the box, there's written right there, recyclable, recycle materials, all that good stuff. And then we're going to take a look at inside the box. There we go. Oh, the paper. The paper's pretty torn up, but it says there, I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, fearlessly independent since 1906. And let's get right into the shoe. Yep. Okay. This is the one of the I believe 6 colorways that have released here in the Philippines, and this is one of them. As you can see, there is some claw-like lace lace holes right there, and the New Balance logo right there. It's pretty glossy. There's a shine to it when it gets hit by light. So, and the cushion that New Balance is using for this one, they're calling it fuel cell. It's pretty sturdy. Not that soft for a some other cushioning like you used to with Nike and Adidas, especially with Boost, if we're comparing it that. But since this is a basketball performance, I believe this will kind of hold up and kind of do the job. And when we look at the outsole of the shoe, it's a translucent outsole with a gold speckled with the New Balance logo right there. And underneath, if you can see, there's I believe that's Kawhi logo for the New Balance. That's Kawhi Leonard's logo for the New Balance. And when you look at the tongue, it says there, New Balance Omnis. And on the inside of the shoe, you can see there, just pretty much, yep, the insole says New Balance, and the logo of New Balance, and size tag, all that fun stuff. Other details, the upper feels like knit material with some fuse overlay here in the high wear areas. When you drag your toes, they reinforce it with some fuse. This is some soft type of fuse. If you look at there is a band right here it's elastic. I think that will helps with the fit and lockdown of the shoe. And let me see if there is if there is some difference between the left and the right pair. I can't see any. It's just yeah, they're the same. There are no distinguishable characteristic between the left and the right pair, and that's good. So the outsole, there you go. See, there's the gold speckle, New Balance logo, and the inside the same. There we go. And I think that's it for the unboxing of the New Balance OMN1s. Thank you guys. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. That will really help the channel a lot. Thank you.